Good evening. Today I would like to explain my conference paper title is Assessing the Role of Machine Learning Models in Groundwater Contaminant Monitoring and Management. We are taking input as a groundwater data set which contains contaminants by using machine learning algorithms. We are assessing which model is the best to find the concentration of the groundwater PFAS. Myself, Dr. Asadi, and my colleagues are Dr. Alvin Lal and Professor Laureate Ravi Naidu. And today I would like to explain the contents of my conference paper is introduction, objectives, methodology, results, discussion, future directions, conclusion, references. Coming to our introduction, in groundwater we can see various types of groundwater like surface water and wastewater, sea water, drinking water. So in this groundwater is a subsurface water source may become contaminated and needs advanced monitoring and management for safety. In this groundwater you can find so many contaminants with various concentration levels. So groundwater contamination poses significant environmental and public health challenges. So in this groundwater contaminants we are using monitoring and management involving various machine learning models to detect and predict groundwater contaminants, enhancing decision making for effective environmental protection. So monitoring and management use various machine and deep learning models to detect groundwater contaminants, the concentration levels of PFAS. By using these machine learning algorithms, we are improving decision making for protection and increasing human health in this point. So we have collected there are 10 different types of case studies from different locations, country locations like India, China, USA, UK, Bangladesh, and Greece. So these are the 10 case studies we have collected, which contains the columns like author details, title of the paper, country of location, challenges or issues, case study name, methods and algorithms, results, findings. So here we have observed 10 case studies with the different case study names like methods they have used, and they have find very good results, and we have observed thoroughly each and every paper what type of machine learning algorithms and methods they have used. So machine learning techniques in groundwater management are increasingly used to enhance the accuracy, efficiency and effectiveness of monitoring and predicting groundwater contamination. So there are 4 tasks we are performing like contaminant transport modeling, pollution source identification, water quality assessment, groundwater quality modeling. So there are various groundwater conditioning factors we are using, and spring and well locations you can easily find in this groundwater contaminants. Then what is my objective of conference paper is to assess the effectiveness of various machine learning models in groundwater contaminant monitoring and management. We are using various machine learning models for the input groundwater data set, and finally we are finding the efficiency and accuracy and loss, epochs, time complexity, etc. So what is the methodology we are using to address these contaminants issues? By analyzing case studies and data and performing comparative analysis to manage groundwater pollutants, and we are investigating various machine and deep learning models for understanding what is the concentration levels of groundwater from different countries like China, UK, Greece, Bangladesh, USA, etc. Then, if you see uh, the results of my um, conference paper, the case studies we have observed 10 case studies with thorough knowledge on that case studies, and the results like comprehensive review of AI, ML, and DL potential in contamination management, AI, ML, and DL approaches in contamination management. Same way, the next case study, deep learning emulators for groundwater contaminant transport. So, in that results paper 2 case study, it improved accuracy and efficiency in predicting contaminant transport dynamics. Deep learning for groundwater contamination transport in China. They have applied enhanced modeling for contaminant transport like this. They we have observed thoroughly 10 case studies. Then out of 10 case studies, they have applied artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning methods such as various machine and deep learning emulators like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory networks, artificial neural networks, and various optimized models enhance groundwater monitoring accuracy and efficiency. Out of 10 case studies, these two are prominently and the best case studies like you and his team. They have done tremendous work on deep neural networks DNN effectively model on groundwater contaminant transport, greatly improving prediction accuracy and efficiency compared to traditional models. And Mazumdar and his team, they have developed an optimized machine learning model using XGBoost enhances prediction accuracy and reliability for groundwater contamination, emphasizing the importance of parameter optimization, etc. And the final conclusion of my conference paper is to enhance groundwater contamination management by improving accuracy, modeling, and optimization across various applications. And my future direction of conference paper is to publish various journal papers in reputed journals on groundwater contaminants and PFAS. It is suggesting enhancing machine learning algorithms, incorporating real-time data, and expanding their application across various environments for better groundwater management. So we have taken 10 case studies references, and successfully we have analyzed our conference paper on assessing the role of machine learning models, assessing the role of machine learning models in groundwater contaminant monitoring and management. Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity.